Oh, look at this. This is an early bird. So I did score one. It's an early bird re-release, I think. Because those figures don't look like the originals. Might have to score that one just to have it. Well, guys, they opened up the case for me. Yes, I'm interested in this early bird. Now, I've not seen this before, which got my interest peaked. And right here, they was sent to somebody. I have this for $29. And it is from 2005. So yes, I'm adding this to my collection. The early bird. Pretty killer. Yeah. Well guys, I'm going to go score this collectible for my personal collection. There you go.
Pretty sweet.
It is, man.
Yeah.
I was lucky to see that.